these 4 years have really shaped me in, I would like to say, a better way, and I would owe that to the faculty.
One of the best parts of Habib is the faculty here. All of the professors that I've studied with have been phenomenal in all the senses, the way they teach, the way they care about you, the way they want you to learn basically and not just teach. That is the best part of Habib.
The faculty is amazing, like Hamesha se. One of the biggest things whenever I talk about Habib, I talk about the professors are one of the kindest and most supportive people I've ever met.
I have a wonderful relationship with the faculty. They're so accommodating, they're so loving, and it was such a privilege to be in the light of their wisdom and to see their passion and be led by them. And I'm just so grateful I got to meet them all and learn from them.
They have helped me relearn, rethink about so many things, assumptions that I have come with into the university.
It's very fortunate that Habib ke andar jo faculty is very open and receptive to your questions, because it has not been my experience, at least in college, कि मैं किसी इतनी आसानी से किसी faculty member को approach कर सकता हूँ जितना Habib में मैं कर सकता हूँ.
All of the instructors that I took throughout my undergraduate journey have really helped me understand the essence of my degree.
I have always felt that I could always reach out to any instructor apart from academics, apart from the course. That mentorship that extends beyond classroom is something that Habib faculty has always offered us.
What they taught us wasn't just limited to the classroom, but it was way beyond that. The way they helped us think outside the box. It wasn't just about code or theory. It was actually about implementing what we learn in real life and connecting to what we learn.
Professors here, the curriculum here really forces you to get out of your bubble and think of the realities other than yours. They gave me the room to explore. So our professors are always motivating us.
I have always felt supported, whether it be anything academic or non-academic. The faculty genuinely tries to help you and often goes out of their way to support you.
My faculty members have been incredibly supportive. I don't think I would have made it this far without them. I would like to give a special shout out to Dr. Shafayat Abrar,
Sir Abdul Samad,
Sir Ramiz Ragib,
Sir Qasim Pasta,
Dr. Waqar,
Aisha Naj,
Sir Ehsan, Professor Numan Naqvi,
Dr. Basit Meiman,
Dr. Muntaza Zafar,
Sir Salman,
Dr. Farhan Khan. I will remember each and every moment that I spent in his classes.
in every step of the way they've helped me, so I think it would be very difficult to say goodbye.